Hello, amazing. It's your girl Lovesignature. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, good to have you back. And thank you for always coming back. I love you. Oh yes, it's a birthday vibe. Watch me as I transform my gorgeous clients for our birthday shoots. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to do your face spray. I wasn't able to capture that. So after doing your face spray, you move in with your foundation, and don't forget to get the exact shade of your client. Make sure you blend your foundation with a beauty blender or a brush. I prefer using a beauty blender because it gives that smooth effect. So guys, at this point we forgot to fix the eye contact, so we have to do it immediately we remembered. Like, how can we even forget? Now wow, some people to do but thank God she didn't tear up. Trust my clients now, she's really old in the game. So right now I had to do a little touch up with the foundation. After applying the foundation, we went straight to highlight the T-zones with our concealer. Like I normally do, I didn't blend my concealer immediately. I allow it to sit for a while before blending it. While I wait for it to set, I went in with applying my blush and my contour. Then back to blending my concealer. Okay guys, I think it's a perfect blend. So it's time to set the under eye with our setting powder and our pressed powder. Please guys, always remember to move in with your pressed powder before your setting powder. As you can see, the blending is giving what it should, right? So mindful, so cutesy, so demure, like so demure. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. So guys, it's time to bake the face. Don't forget to always bake with your setting powder. So guys, at this point I noticed that the contour wasn't contouring. I had to reapply the contour. Please don't forget to contour your nose region. Okay, let's move straight to the brows. Please, while doing this part, make sure your pencils is well sharpened. Please, you draw with a well sharpened pencil. After drawing, you define your eyebrows with a concealer. Now I'll allow you guys to watch the video. Please stay true to the end, and please let me know your observations in the comment section. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do where to do it now.